everybody, Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a beautiful 1971 Plymouth HEMI cuda. And that heavenly sound, thanks to a 472 HEMI engine. That sound really is something else. Beautiful long tube headers coming out of that 472 with 2.5-inch exhaust, dual Flowmasters. This HEMI engine has been freshly built by Fowler Engines. Beautiful chrome valve covers. Chrome booster, master cylinder. And again, freshly built, it runs like a champ. Shaker hood. This is a manual 4-speed transmission. And with any Plymouth like this, you have to have a pistol grip shifter, and it has just that. The inside is just as pretty as the outside. No rips, no tears. Beautiful carpet headliner, seats front and back, black buckets. Clear lens see-through gauges. There's your pistol grip shifter. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. I'm going to have some still pictures, of course, of the interior, the undercarriage, engine compartment, as well as the trunk. Front and rear spoilers. All the HEMI indications everywhere. This thing is a beast. BF Goodrich radial TAs on all fours, as well as the Plymouth Rallies on all four. Beautiful Plum Crazy paint. Underneath you'll find a Dana rear end with 410 gears, posi traction, front and rear sway bars as well. Engine bay is well maintained, well managed. Hood lock, just a gorgeous 71 Plymouth cuda. And that HEMI engine is a beast. Has front disc brakes. This is the one. Please hang out the end of the video. Check out all the still pictures that we have. Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And if you would subscribe to us on YouTube, we sure would appreciate it. Go to our website, cruisinclassicsinc.com, where you can get a ton of pictures, video, a detailed description of this car and all the others that we have in stock. Please enjoy this 71 HEMI cuda. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.